Hello. Hello. Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to Mr. MRLIFX. In this video, we are going to analyze XAUUSD by using order blocks. So this is right time to enter in a gold with the short term buy side. See, at first we are going to see gold in a day time frame. See, in day time frame, still gold running in a bullish manner. See, by the market structure, still it makes lower lows, higher highs, still a higher high and a higher low. So there is a possibility of bounce back from the price now. Okay, let's break down it to further small time frame for 1 hour. See, in 1 hour also we get a structure of downtrend. Okay, but need to wait for this price zone. After then only we can finalize that if the price breaks this level, means it goes to the next level. This is the next level of the price bounce back. So further I break down to the smaller time frame, which we are going to take a trade in 5-minute time frame. See, not only based on indicator, visually you can clearly see that there is a downtrend from here. There is a downtrend from, see, there is a downtrend, after that a consolidation and a bounce back from the level of 2355. After that you can see it was retested, then it goes move to the buy side. So from this there is a shift of momentum from downside to upside. There is a possibility of shift of momentum from the downside to the bull side. In this we are going to take a trade for a buy. After, see, by reading the candles you can take this as a lower low, but after a higher low and a retest, now it going. So same time, if the price breaks this zone, we are going to take it as a breakout for the level of 2379. After that we are going to enter the trade with a risk reward ratio of 1:2. As usual, I said earlier, whenever I take a trade, I using money management and risk management. By my money management, I am going to trade this trade with 1:2 risk reward ratio. So I have to wait for the breakout. Not only breakout, after breakouting this zone, after the breakout of this zone, the price should be retest again this zone. It should respect this zone. Then only we are going to take a trade. We are not going to take a trade now. We have a clear evidence of possibility of change in shift from a bearish run to bullish run from here. But we are not going to take a trade unless, see, there is two possibility of taking a buy side trade. One is, if the price falls, then bounce backs from this area, we are going to take a trade. Or else, if it breaks, then it comes to a retest zone, then only we are going to take a trade. This is our trade setup for gold now. So I have to wait for this to happen. After any of these things, if the price retest from here, we are going to take a trade. Or else if the price break out from this zone and retest this and respect this level, we are going to take a buy trade. or else we are going to wait for the setup, then we are going to take a trade. We are not going to take a trade now until the breakout or retest happens. So see, why retest is important. If the price breakout means it breaks the level, so it is going to the next level. But sometimes the big players come and take your stop loss from this area, then they are going to continue the same trend, which is a downtrend. So they're grabbing the liquidity. Liquidity means they're grabbing our retailers stop loss, then they are going to take a trade from either side. Maybe a buy side or sell side, we are not going to know, but they are clear that their profit is from our stop loss only. So to avoid such a entry, see, if I'm not going to get a profitable trade, that's not a problem. If I take a trade with always hitting stop loss, means that's not a good trade setup. So we are going to wait for these zones to activate. Whenever the price reaches my setup with my zones, then only I am going to take a trade. In this gold for now, we are going to wait for these levels until it price falls from here to here, then bounce back means we are going to get a trade, or else if the price breaks this area, again the price should be respect the price level. Then if it takes retest, then only we are going to take a buy trade. Then after taking a trade, what are my levels to take a entry on the stop loss and target? By using Fibonacci, we are going to fix the targets. See, if the price falls from here, if the price came here, means what we are going to do? See, at first we are going to check these levels. So we should wait for the retest until unless this is the high and this is the low. First we are going to wait the levels to break. So the price is not going to be reject from this area, it is going to be break. If it breaks, we are going to wait for the retest. So after then only we are going to put Fibonacci tool. By using Fibonacci tool, we are going to take a trade from there. Trade from there. Trade from there. So the price is going to be break the price levels. So until we are going to wait to take this trade, unless it is there is a break in the level, but still the candle not close. Even I'm not going to take a trade from the level until it retests from this zone. So have to wait for a while. There the breakout happens, but still I'm not going to take this trade. I have to wait for my level for retest. So gonna be wait for the retest. Okay, still the price level breaks, but we are going to wait for the retest to take this trade until unless we are going to wait for the candle to close. So to catch a high momentum sniper and try strategies, we are using breakout strategy. This is the right time to enter, but for a safety moves, we are going to wait for it to retest. Okay. Probably the next stop zone will be here. Why I am telling like this means by using our one of the greatest tools which are available in TradingView, volume profile. It based on current and historical data. See, after this area, the volume of this price level is too low. So whenever it breaks, we are going to take the level. Then you can clearly see whenever it breaks the price level, the volume in the next price levels will be going to be increased. So I have to wait for a while to check this. As I said earlier, we are going to wait for a break test. See, this is the usage of retest. If retest not happen means they just grab the liquidity which is available as a stop loss or a entry. See, the price got rejected after the breakout. So have to wait for a while, wait for a retest. For extra confirmation, we are using here a volume profile. See, time frame, whenever the structural change happens, see, there is a huge downtrend, a lower high, a higher low. See, there is a possibility of shift in momentum and change in structure. It shows there is a possibility of bounce back of price from this area to the upward side. So I have to wait for a while. I am again break down to a smaller time frame. See, we are put these levels, it acts as an order block. There is nothing special to find order block. This is simple way to find an order block. There is no need of indicator, such things, these things, nothing. Hi guys, is there anyone? Please like, share and subscribe us to get more updates. Okay, sure, we are going to wait for retest. If retest happens means my risk reward ratio will be at least 1:2 risk reward ratio, which gives us a immense results. Okay, if it take retest means this is my levels, these are my levels for now in 5-minute time frame. I don't know exactly it retest from here, but wherever whatever the retest happen means I am going to take the trade.